this video, I'm going to show you how to link a section of your contract. And for this one, we're going to be using Windows as an example. So in Leap, linking allows us to pull over information automatically into our contracts from the estimate screen. Now, a cool thing about this, if we don't have a specific item added to our estimate screen, it just won't show up on our contract. But for those items that we have added to our estimate, we can bring over whatever information we want about that item here into our contract. Now, for this example, I'm going to be showing you how to link an entire section. For Windows, we use what we call detailed line items, and that allows us to create an entire section with all sorts of different details about that one item in our price guide. So to link this section of windows, what I first need to do is select the section. You could do this by clicking on the section here in your contract, or if you want to make sure that you have exactly the right item selected, you could do it from your document tree. I'm just going to make sure I have my Windows section selected in here. Now to link this to our price guide, what we need to do is go to Settings and then go down to Link MetaSheet Items. From here, we're going to need to choose the category that we're going to be linking to. This is going to be our windows. Once you select that, it's going to show you all of the different types of windows that you have in your price guide. I only have 2 different types here, and that's fine. Now, in this example, we're going to want to select all of our windows. So that way, if we're adding different types of windows to our estimate, we can have a different section for each one of those windows show up. So to select all of my different types of windows, I'm just going to click this checkbox here at the top. And if you look up here, it'll show you that I've selected 2 different items. Once those items are selected, you click Done, and this entire section is linked to your price guide. So we're not quite done yet. To really make this work, not only do we have to tell Leap what item we're going to be referencing using linking, we're also going to have to tell them which information about that item we want to pull over automatically into the contract. And to do that, we're going to need to use placeholders. Now in this example here, we already have a couple of different placeholders entered here. You can see them with the percentage sign before and after the word. But I also want to add in the window brand and the window type. So to see the different types of information that you can bring over from your price guide, you can use our placeholders documentation. And this shows you all sorts of different information that you can pull over. In this example, I'm going to go ahead and copy the brand name here. And in my section, I'm going to select Window Brand. And from Settings, under Default Value, I'm going to go ahead and paste in my placeholder. So now that I've linked this whole section to Windows, this specific cell has my placeholder that will automatically bring over the selected Windows brand. I'm also going to add in a cell that I've titled here Window Type. And in Window Type, I want to bring over the selected item's name. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this placeholder. And I'm going to select the cell, and from Settings, go into Default Value, paste in my placeholder. There. So now we've linked this whole section to our windows, and we've selected very specific information using the placeholders that will bring it over automatically. Now once you've done this linking, be sure to save your file.